Hey guys, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Just a real quick one today. As you probably know, we got like a massive bear crushing rally today. No, it doesn't make the end of the bear market, but we did get a really nice, you could say it was a bullish engulfing pattern of a whole bunch of days here. And so my suspicion is we'll have a little more upside. I was mentioning in the premium version today that typically the 20-day moving average has kind of been resistance here the last few times. Because of this kind of volume, I think we'll probably see a little bit higher levels here. But that's the S&P. I want to talk about Tesla. Now, Tesla has been, I'll say it. I think the stock goes ultimately much lower. I don't know that for sure, but I think it does. And if this falls below 200, it could go appreciably lower. Well, guess what? It's not below 200. It's above 200, and we're traders here. And so we look at this and see that this was definitely ripe for an oversold bounce, and the level was actually really clear. You saw what happened there second time around here, and so you see this stock coming down and down and down. I've been mentioning this to members for the last couple days about talking about this, that man, you got to wait for this bounce. And here we have it. It's the bounce. Fine. So have I missed the trade? I would say no. Okay, the stock gapped down today and closed relative to the open, closed almost 6.5% higher. But this could still go a ways. And so I would suggest, if you're interested in Tesla and you don't want to buy the car, remember, everybody just needs to buy an EV, and Mother Earth is going to be very happy. So you can still buy Tesla here and then look to sell it, probably right about the time that I would look to be shorting it. And this is what we look for, is any kind of a rebound that moves enough to where you say, all right, this has got to flush out some selling here. Definitely got to get some sellers coming in here. So it would not surprise me to see Tesla come up and possibly even test 250 as long as the market gets a little lift. Like everybody these days is betting against Tesla. You see all the shorts, you see all the negative news flow and all that jazz, and when everybody's leaning one way, all it takes is a little shift and suddenly the stock goes the other way. So that would be my suggestion for Tesla. Take it or leave it, baby. I'll see you next time.